At Equity Math, when we onboard our clients, we want them to understand a few things. One of them being risk profile. So risk profile can be as simple to understand as you can, या फिर इसको जितना कॉम्प्लिकेट करना चाहे उतना कर सकते हैं. Simply put, risk profile is your ability to not budge when you see a drawdown in your portfolio. A drawdown in a portfolio meaning if your portfolio worth 1 crore comes down by 20% to 80 lakh rupees, let's say all that you had thought about how you will deal with the portfolio when the portfolio swings on the downside, if nothing changes, means your risk appetite was 20%. If it goes down further to, let's say, 60 lakhs, which is a 40% drawdown, and let's say again, none of your emotions, none of your thought processes, none of your assumptions change, and you continue to believe in the portfolio manager that you've selected, and you're even willing to do follow-on buying, means that you have a slightly higher risk profile. But the strange part is that none of us actually know what is our risk profile unless we go through that process. ये बोलना कि मैं रिस्क टेकर हूं, लेकिन करोड़ रुपए का पोर्टफोलियो 90 लाख आ जाए और आपको रात की नींद उड़ जाए तो फिर आप रिस्क एवर्स हो, आप रिस्क टेकर नहीं हो. एंड बिलीव मी, देयर इज नो बेटर वे टू फाइंड इट other than experiencing it. So if you do have experience that change in portfolio value, creates a different mood in your mind about how to manage your investments, then it's important to reconsider your stand and reconsider what you think your risk profile is. This opens up a discussion which we are open to. So do contact us at Equity Math.